Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the save coupon insert that's coming on Sunday, August the 22nd. I get these in my mailbox, not in my inserts or in my newspapers. That is how I'm able to get these a little bit early and share them with you. It's kind of a regional thing. Some people get these in their mailboxes and some people have to wait till the newspapers come out. Here are some olives, $1 off of 1 the pearls or $1 off of 3 the cans. I hate olives, but if they end up being free, I will get them and give them to someone who likes them. Ben & Jerry, $1 off of 2, $1 off of 1 of the slices or cookie dough, or $1 off of 1 the doggy desserts. $1 off of 2 Kellogg's. You can use those on the Kellogg's Jumbo. $1 off of 1 on the Breyers. That's a good coupon. Family Dollar ad there. Here we have $1 off of 1 Quilted Northern. It is a limit. Oh, it does say limit of 1 there, so per purchase. So I guess you can use multiples. Buy 2 get 1 free on Renews It. $1 off of 1 the packages there, 3 packs or more. 3 off of 2 Splenda. And we are already on the back page here with the all. $1.50 off of Snuggle. These are a limit of 1 identical coupon, so keep that in mind. $2 off the Snuggle boosters, $1.50 all product, and the $2 on the Mighty Pack. So I'm sure we'll be seeing all go on sale in a lot of our stores since the coupons were released. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.